If your business or creative project feels a little inconsistent, maybe fragmented, or you even feel stuck, then this is probably a really good workshop for you to join. One of my biggest challenges with running and creating my own small business is the inconsistency of how I feel, inconsistency of the amount of time and space I have in my day to do the tasks and projects at hand. I find like consistency and just this fragmented way of operating as a woman in her 40s with fluctuating hormones, with fluctuating needs on my time and my energy, really has always put kind of like my business as well as my creative endeavors on the back foot. And I'm sure you might be feeling the same. And so this is why I created this workshop. It is a 3-hour workshop where we take a moment to pause, reflect, and actually carve out a realistic business tasks ahead for the next season. Something that really fits you and your life at the moment. It's not another course where we're adding more to-dos and these are the things you should do and these are the things that you need to have in it. It's really about taking that step back, looking at where we are in the season of our life. How much capacity do we have? Is there a lot going on? Do we have more capacity than we thought we could? Can we actually add more to the plate? And what are the valuable things we can add? Or is this a phase where we actually just really need to quieten down and take more off the plate and really focus just on those key essential aspects that we need? When we take a moment to pause and reflect, we take a bird's eye view of where is it that we're heading? Where is it that we're going? And what is it that I need to achieve in this season right now? So in this workshop, you're going to get a couple of guided prompts from me. That means that you're going to be journaling. It's going to be that time of self-reflection and delving deeper. You're also going to be in a couple of breakout rooms where you just get a chance to voice with another person what it is that your immediate focus needs to be. And that's going to give you a chance to really hone in on an honest plan, a plan that is going to work specifically for you in this season of your life. Again, this isn't some hustler harder type of workshop. We're not adding more to your plate. We're actually wanting to simplify and we're trying to get down really to the crux, the core, the essentials of what it is that you need to run and to structure your business. I hope you're going to join us. If you have any questions, pop me an email. Otherwise, feel free to join in the descriptions below. I hope to see you there. Bye.